Password GALORE888. Okay, I'm in.
The specs are incomplete. What you need to do is to limit the speed to 25 km an hour and ensure it's UL2272 certified.
Roger that. 2x 1500 watt brushless motor that peaks at 3000 watt, 60 volt, 70.5 mAh LG battery, range 70 to 80 km, foldable and weighing under 20 kg. Speed limit at 25 km an hour, UL2272 certified. Uploading. So how do I test it? I need to know its potential.
Put on the shades now.
Alright, this is interesting.
What are you waiting for? Unravel the opportunities to distress from urban pressure.
Bring it on! Okay, now I get it. It's not just about the thrill. It's about experiencing what nature has to offer us. Exploring and appreciate the earth. It's therapeutic. A different perception than just going off-road.
Wise enough to level up. Your destiny has just begun.